Hi everyone. Today I have come up with a very important topic and that is digital marketing. Digital marketing is the word which is fascinating all young people. Many wants to learn by exploring it themselves or doing online courses. Now students ask many basic questions related to digital marketing. So I'm sharing the answers of all the questions in this video. So let us watch the video and try to learn and try to acquire the answers of all these questions. So let us start with the video on my channel that is Selling Me to Myself. Now the very first question which I have taken is what is digital marketing? Now digital marketing is in very simple words we can say that advertising delivered through digital channels is digital marketing. Now channels can be social media, mobile application, email, web application, search engine, websites or any new digital channel. So, in simple version, we can say that digital marketing is any form of marketing products or services that involves electronic device. Now the next question is why to do digital marketing course? Now the very first thing which I have taken is that jobs are booming up. There will be an alarming rise in the count of digital jobs in the years to come. The next is a wide range of career options are available. Now you are not restricted to one specific job profile after doing the course. Even leading companies such as Google, Twitter and Facebook are providing a wide array of job opportunities. The next is better salary. Now most fascinating advantage of digital marketing course. The demand and the supply for digital professionals are inversely proportional to each other. That means that demand is more and supply is less. So if you have a strong skill set and expertise, avail the best package. The next is embark your own career. Now it is not necessary that after doing the digital marketing course you will be doing a job. You can start your own company also and become an entrepreneur. And in this, it is not necessary also that you first of all complete the degree or the diploma or the online course on digital marketing and after that you start something. Even during the course also, during the learning part, you can start your blog, you can do video editing, etc. and start. Then you have flexible working hours. Now there are no worries about the working location. Everything is dependent on internet. So you can work from home also. Now the next point is deployment of skills. Actually the professionals can transfer their skill sets from one company to another. As you know that small, medium and large scale companies are adopting digital marketing. Now the next point is exhibit creativity. Now people who want to have a platform for creativity, imagination and innovation can adopt digital marketing course. Now the next question is very important that why everyone wants to be on digital platform. Why every businessman or entrepreneur is demanding for digital marketing. So for this, I have jotted down some points. The first one is that after having your business on digital platform, you can reach people where they spend their most of the time and that is internet. The next is the competitors because most of the competitors are already doing it and you can also compete with large companies at national and international level. The next is you can target your ideal audience. Now this is very important because now here you can sort out that who are the people who are interested in your business, your products. The next is monitor your campaigns and optimize your results, because there are so many tools available which will tell you that how you can optimize your results. The next, obviously, when so many things are going on and you have done it on the digital platform, then you are surely going to get impressive return on your investments. So that's why so many business people are going to digital platform, and to manage all that they need digital marketing professionals. Now the next question which many students ask me, that they can do an excel in digital marketing course or as a professional. So for that I always answer them that the people who have interest in marketing and are self-starter can go for digital marketing courses, but still I have jotted down some professionals and people who can become an expert in digital marketing. Number one obviously is marketing professionals. They can reach to heights and understand their customers by learning digital marketing. The next, obviously, the sales professionals will come, who can switch their career from sales to digital marketing. The next is experienced professionals of any field can join these courses and accelerate their career. The next are business owners. Obviously, business owners are going into the world of digitalization, and there is no better medium than digital media to promote their business. Now entrepreneurs can learn digital marketing and can have their own company and organization, and which will make them to take right decisions at the right time. Then students, obviously I always focus on the students. There is no doubt that a professional course always drives a student toward a bright career, and digital marketing is one of it. It teaches students to become professional and how to explore knowledge. Now the next question which is popping up is, what are the areas that a digital marketing professional should know? Now these are the general areas which every person should touch when he or she is doing a training or a course for a career in digital marketing. So here I have jotted down some words, the technology which you must know. The first one is video audio production, interactive technology, mobile marketing, search engine optimization, which is also known as SEO, search engine marketing, social media, e-commerce, email marketing, marketing automation, content management, web development, web design, copywriting and editing is also in digital marketing. You can become an expert of it. And then you have analytics, which can be business analytics, marketing analytics, financial analytics. Any of it you can learn and become an expert. Now in the end, I will say that digital marketing careers has become an important part of the marketing world. It is better to pick this dynamic career option. Those who desire to experiment with new tools and adapt to the changes should go for it. So in the last slide, I'm showing you about some important quotes related to digital marketing by famous people. And the best one which I like is, marketing is no longer about the stuff that you make, but about the stories you tell. So this much is enough for digital marketing introduction, I think, and whenever you will do the course on it, or you want to become a digital marketing professional, you must see my video and try to analyze that what you have to include in it and what knowledge you have to attain. So I think that it will be very beneficial for you to watch the video. Thank you so much, and I hope that this type of information will help you out in future. Thank you so much. Okay, see you. Bye bye. Bye bye in my next video.